Excel Employee Leave Tracker's custom automated entry form will save your company time, money, and ensure accurate input of employees' leave data. Our progressive drop-down menus will increase productivity by eliminating errors of copying wrong employee data from multiple sources. This will increase accuracy of data input. Employee records are instantaneously updated securely from your company's HRIS. No need to worry about data breaches. All data is shared and stored on your own network and drives. Excel Employee Leave Tracker custom intake form will calculate expected return to work dates, excluding holidays and weekends, using the leave start date and days approved. We can design custom yearly calendars to exclude any days your company offices are closed. Employees' leave information is only entered on the leave log after all required fields are completed. Contact Excel Employee Leave Tracker today to schedule a meeting and see if we can improve your company's leave process.